Stop spending hours manually editing your long videos into smaller clips when there is a much smarter, automated way to handle it. Today, I am showing you a streamlined workflow that turns your long-form content into ready-to-post clips with almost zero hassle. Head over to Vizard, which you can find in the description, and follow along as I demonstrate this with a 20-minute video from my own channel. You do not need any fancy gear to pull this off, just a video file and a couple of minutes of your time. First, take the long video you want to repurpose and simply copy your YouTube link, then paste it directly into Vizard's upload box. Hit generate and let the system do its thing, which is surprisingly fast because it analyzes the entire file to find your strongest moments. If you had to do this manually, you would be scrubbing through your timeline for ages trying to hunt down hooks and highlights. Vizard automates this process with its auto-editing feature, which detects high engagement moments that are perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. From just one 20-minute upload, I got a whole stack of clips that were already rough cut and captioned for me. One feature I absolutely love is the ability to control your processing window so you can skip intros and only scan the valuable content. I usually set my preferred clip length to 30 seconds because those short, punchy clips tend to perform better across every platform. You can also prioritize specific keywords or phrases, which helps the AI find those crucial punchlines you want to highlight. After the generation is done, Vizard displays each clip along with a virality score to help you identify the strongest content. While it is not a perfect guarantee, it is a great signal for which clips have strong hooks and clear value. The editing interface inside Vizard is incredibly smooth and lets you double-click any line of auto-generated text to tweak the captions. You can use the brand panel to set your fonts, colors, and logo overlays, ensuring every clip stays consistent with your personal brand. I personally recommend using one consistent font and color theme so your feed looks cohesive and recognizable to your viewers. Vizard also handles automatic stitching, meaning it can splice several short moments together into one cohesive mini story. It also normalizes audio levels so your clips sound clean and professional regardless of which device they are played on. Now, to be fully transparent, this workflow works best for podcasts, interviews, lectures, and general creator monologues. It is less effective for fast-paced gaming montages or videos that rely heavily on complex screen-recorded tutorials. Once you are happy with your edits, just click Save and Compile, and Vizard will render the files for you to download in batch. Here is where it outpaces competitors, because you can use Vizard's built-in content calendar to schedule everything directly. Link your socials like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and Vizard will handle the uploads, hashtags, and timing for you. Inside the content calendar, you can drag and drop posts to reschedule them or even change captions for specific networks. They even have an AI caption writer that generates headlines and descriptions based on the transcript of your video. Compared to using separate tools for editing and scheduling, Vizard saves you from bouncing between apps and paying for multiple subscriptions. The balance of editing and scheduling in one unified workflow is why this is perfect for creators who want to scale their output. You can even set it to automatically stagger your posts based on your preferred daily frequency, which helps keep the algorithm happy. The AI can suggest the optimal times to post based on your account's specific engagement history, which takes the guesswork out of timing. After scheduling, you can always go back into the editor to tweak a clip if it performs better than expected. I suggest you batch this entire workflow where you upload several long videos at once and schedule a full week of content in one session. This is so much more efficient than treating every single clip as a separate, time-consuming project. To recap, just pick your video, let the AI generate the clips, edit them, and then schedule them directly to your socials. The primary advantage here is saving your time so you can focus on making more long-form content instead of being buried in editing details. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more tips on thumbnail tricks or growth hacks, please drop a comment below. Try out Vizard for yourself and let me know how many clips you managed to get from your first upload, because the results will surprise you. Do not forget to subscribe if you want more practical growth hacks, and I will see you in the next video.